It's been a truly challenging year, and as we head back for a new school year, we are trying to create some sense of normalcy for our students. And we know that we have to look at social emotional learning and self-care for teachers and learners. And it's important that we get back to some sense of normalcy in terms of academics as well. We have to consider project-based learning, assessment, inquiry, leadership strategies, professional learning, and all of the things that were on our mind before a pandemic began. And we have that for you here at Times 10 Publications. I'm Mark Barnes, and I appreciate you visiting, and I'm hoping that you will dig into our books, all available at 10publications.com, on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and stores around the world. Let's dig in to some of the books that I know are impacting teachers and learners across the globe. Washington Post bestseller Hacking School Discipline is revolutionizing how we use restorative practice in schools. Techniques like circle up and repair the harm are changing how we do school discipline. Like all Hack Learning series books, we have the hallmark of all hacks, what you can do tomorrow. We provide a simple hack, a simple solution, and then what you can do tomorrow, along with a blueprint for full implementation. If you're looking to reimagine discipline at your school or to end the school to prison pipeline, please check out Hacking School Discipline today. In Hacking Leadership, Joe Sanfilippo and Tony Sinanis help you reimagine leadership in your school and community. They help you be present and engaged, create a culture, build relationships with all shareholders, flatten the walls of your school, broadcast student voices, and more. Student engagement guru James Sturdivant brings you Teaching in Magenta, 100 Paths to Joy and Well-Being for you and your students. This is a must-read in today's world for teachers and school leaders. Sturdivant shows educators how to focus on 5 important qualities: compassion, optimism, balance, adaptability, and contentment. In Lead with Grace, Jessica Cabine helps us lean into the soft skills. And while these have always been important, there's no better time for soft skills than now. Jessica shows us authentic grace, how to be vulnerable with grace, grace with empathy, grace with integrity, the communication graces, and so much more. Part of Times 10 Publications' Lead Forward series, Lead with Grace offers stories and strategies that you can use in your space today. Great for book studies, each chapter ends with the Lead Forward journal and some prompts from the authors. Hacking Graphic Novels is 8 ways to teach higher level thinking with comics and visual storytelling. This is so much more than a language arts book though. Getting kids to understand storytelling gives them an understanding of language and a hunger to read and to write, and to do it in all classes. Hacking Graphic Novels helps teachers and school leaders understand how to get kids to embrace not just storytelling, but to love reading, to love writing, and to become critical thinkers. And what could be more important than that? Hacking Classroom Management brings 10 ideas to help you become the type of teacher they make movies about. Why would you want to do that? Well, how often have you seen a movie where you didn't fall in love with the teachers? Because in the movies, teachers engage learners. They help kids figure out who they are. They prepare them for the real world. They make them feel good about themselves. And that is the foundation of Hacking Classroom Management by Mike Roberts. Managing your classroom isn't about carrots and sticks and rules and consequences. It's about engaging learners, becoming the teacher that they would love. Thank you so much for watching. You can find all of our books at 10publications.com. We have a bulk order page that is linked here. If you would like to put books in the hands of all of your teachers or all of the attendees at your upcoming event, please check out that page. You can just type in the title you're interested in and the quantity, and that'll come across, and we'll get back to you right away, and we will offer you a great discount. Thank you again for making Times 10 Publications your go-to publisher for education content. Our books provide practical solutions that busy educators can read today and use tomorrow. And like you, we're always here to do what's best for kids.